Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So there is nothing more stressful than checking your bank statement and seeing a charge from Amazon that you weren't expecting. Maybe you thought you canceled your subscription, or maybe you are being charged for a service you don't remember even signing up for. So first, take a deep breath, since in most cases this is easily explained and fixable. In today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to identify what the charge is for and how to cancel, dispute, or get a full refund if even necessary. So fast and easy as usual, let's get started. First thing first, we want to identify the charge. Check what the charge says exactly in your bank statement. Look for details like Amazon Music Unlimited, Amazon Prime, digital music purchase, or Amazon.com. So the amount can tell you something too. If it's like $10, it's usually Amazon Music Unlimited for one person. Is it like 15, Amazon Music Unlimited family? Student plan, it's usually like $6. Individual song purchases, it's like $2 also. So check your Amazon subscriptions. Then open a browser and go to Amazon.com. Log into your account, then go to Accounts and Lists. Look for memberships and subscriptions, then look for Amazon Music Unlimited. Check the status. If it says active, that explains the charge. If it says cancelled but you are still being charged, there may be a billing glitch. So you can easily contact the support and get a refund. And that's it basically, so thank you all for watching and I'll see you all in the next video.